Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
How y'all are?
Yeah, we're gonna be trying that one TikTok Sprite challenge. Where you try to chug a whole thing of Sprite and hold your burp in. This is gonna be hard. And at the end, just to make it hard for me, I'm drinking a big bottle of root beer.
You got to be kidding me.
Yeah, there's gonna be lots of burping in this video, and yeah.
The bubbles are going.
Subscribe and slap that like button. Oh, and if you're wondering why I'm not posting any more Roblox videos, it's because I got banned on Roblox.
Yeah, bummer.
Yeah, I'm gonna start posting Minecraft videos.
Bummer.
We got this open. We got it open. That's proof of Sprite. Look at all that fizz.
Yeah, it's got lots of fizz and it's ice cold. We have them in the freezer.
Yeah, and it's like 30 degrees outside, so it's
cold.
Extra. Yeah. It's
Okay, what are we gonna do? We're gonna 1, 2, 3, and we're just gonna drink it till it's gone.
Yeah, we can drink this till it's gone.
Yeah, I ate lunch just a little bit ago. I don't know. I hope I can do this.
We ate some spicy Doritos a minute ago. They were spicy.
They're pretty good.
Alright.
Ready?
It's already been 1 minute. We gotta do this. It's been one minute and 40 seconds. We gotta do this.
Ready?
Oh God, I need to burp so bad. I haven't drinking that much. Run, go.
Why is this spicy?
That was not a burp.
Yeah, it was.
No, I went. Stomach.
I'm getting a brain freeze.
My stomach.
We shouldn't put it in the
It's hard to put it. It's
put
hard
it in the freezer.
This dude almost done. You did it. Can you burp? I need to.
I think it was too cold.
I need to burp really bad right now.
I might have to burp here in just a second.
Oh God.
I don't even feel a burp. I don't even feel like I need to burp after drinking that fast. It's so cold it was giving me brain freeze.
Stomach. Oh my God, right.
How long are we supposed to go before we burp?
Where's your throat? Oh, my stomach hurts.
I feel like a burp coming on.
God, me too.
That's not a very good one though.
Oh, I can't burp that this whole thing.
That wasn't a very good burp. Almost need to redo this video. I think if we got one that wasn't so cold, we could kill the whole bottle.
Oh, stomach. My stomach hurts so bad right now. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so hard.
It is. It burns your throat so bad because it's too cold. I got a brain freeze.
My stomach hurts so bad.
Just go ahead and kill the rest of it. You got it.
Not the stomach is bloating. Oh, it's in there.
You gotta have a good burp then. You're gonna kill it. Kill it. Oh man. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. You just need to hold it a little bit longer. I think the next one we ought to try it when it's not so cold.
Subscribe if you want part 2.
Part 2.
So hard. Stomach hurts so bad. Oh my god. I can't wait till I'm done with this.
Go ahead, you can kill that last little bit. Just gotta make yourself do it. Oh man, you're just hitting it once. Let it kind of flow down your throat.
It burns.
It burns really bad.
Why is it spicy?
I don't know. It's because it's so cold. It burns your throat.
Stomach hurts so bad.
You got it. Oh man. Okay, that's
I got it all.
Okay, that was a good burp.
Oh no.
All right, folks. That wasn't much, but we did it. We got to try to do it without stopping. We need to kill the whole bottle without stopping, so we'll try the next bottle like that.
It burns.
I only burped once, and it wasn't much of a burp. I thought I'd have a bigger burp than that. Yeah, there's a big one.
Oh my god.
There's one.
Oh god.
I don't know if I got any more. Think that All right, folks. I guess that's it.
Sprite cranberry.
I'm gonna make a part 2, or I'm gonna try to chug this root beer.
Yeah, that'll good. That'll be good.
It'll be my next video. Go check that out.
Okay, guys.
Root beer.
I guess that's it. Is that it? Are we going to say bye?
Goodbye, everyone.
Love y'all. He's going to do it one more time.
Subscribe and like
Okay.
I got all the air out my stomach now.
You did, didn't you?
My stomach bloating.
Don't make this video too long now.
I need some water.
All right. Well, this Bad Dog fan over here at Papa D's.
Go join my Discord server. It'll be linked in the description.
Yep. Follow and like for sure.
Yeah.
Y'all have a good one. It's cold here today, so
My stomach still hurts.
keep you awake. Anyway, love you guys.
We completed the challenge. I challenge all you to record it, put on YouTube, and put in the title hashtag #BatDog and Sophia Sprite challenge.
There you go.
Challenge y'all to do that.
All right.
It's hard. It's real hard. I don't know how people don't do that.
I don't
Like,
either.
bro, all you gotta do is force yourself to drink this whole thing. It's easy. It's easy. All it takes is 10 minutes. Alright, well, bye, guys.
Bye. Love y'all.
Love y'all. See
Stay
you.
warm.
Yep. See you later.
See you on the next one.